A brief review of Shopify POS. Shopify Point of Sale is a powerful and comprehensive point of sale system that helps store owners streamline their retail operations. It offers a wide range of features, from inventory management to customer relationship management, that makes it easier for retailers to manage their businesses. Let's take a closer look at what this popular POS system has to offer. Let's talk about affordability and ease of use. Shopify POS is an affordable option for small business owners who are just starting out. The Lite plan is included with Shopify e-commerce service, while additional features are available depending on the plan you choose. Plus, it's easy to use. Setting up your shop takes only minutes, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to start selling quickly. Click the link below to speak to an expert about Shopify Point of Sale. Now we are on to inventory management. One of the biggest advantages of using Shopify POS is its robust inventory management capabilities. You can easily add new products or edit existing ones in a few clicks, as well as track inventory levels in real time. And if you have multiple stores or warehouses, you can easily sync information between them so that everyone knows when stock needs to be replenished. Don't forget about Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. Shopify also provides powerful CRM tools that help you keep track of customers and build relationships with them over time. You can view customer profiles and purchase history to get a better understanding of their buying habits, and use this information to create targeted campaigns and promotions specifically tailored to their needs. Plus, you can capture contact information such as email addresses and phone numbers so that you can follow up with customers after they leave your store. Overall, Shopify POS is an effective solution for store owners looking for an affordable yet comprehensive point-of-sale system. Its features make it easy to manage your inventory, capture customer data, and provide personalized service, all while helping you stay organized and efficient in your retail operations. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your business, then Shopify Point of Sale is worth considering. Click the link below for a personal session with an expert to answer any questions.